Hi friends, today we will discuss about the ABB RTU Advantech HMI communication and its IT setup. So please follow my video. So this video is divided in two parts. Part 1 RTU communication setup and the tag address creation. Part 2 HMI communication setup and a tag address configuration. Okay. So step 1 RTU setup. First open the RTU software. Then create new project. So I will show you the video. So open RTU software. Okay. Then create initial new project. Enter project name and engineering name. If you want, just give it. Pick next option. This is set up so the signal tree. This signal tree has 3 levels. Okay. Each level has a maximum X length as defined by the software. Okay. Just to follow my step clearly. So each level have a text length. So just to follow my steps. So 3, 2, and the slot level C is a slot. I'll keep it in 6. Okay. Then pick close. So now automatically it's going to network a pre-part. So right click and add item and create an RTU model. So here that RTU model, 2 types of model is there, RTU 530. One is 530 CI-D01. Another one is 530 CI-D02. So what is the different CI-D01 and CI-D02 needs? First one is have only one Ethernet port. So second one have 2 Ethernet port. So now you select 530 CI-D01. Okay. Then once created the RTU model and they give some name. Then right click, add Modbus TCP line. This is a host activity. Just create a host activity. Okay. And create some name. Then go to HMI IP address. That is the master IP address. So here I created HMI IP address like 122.168.0.IP. Then port number 502. An offline timeout, just to keep it 30 seconds. This is same like 30 seconds. We will keep it in our HMI screen also. And here that exception response invalid data points and exception response unconfigured data points, just untick it and acknowledge commands on reception, just a tick it. And the main thing is we need to identifier, just to keep it legacy. Okay. So after that, right click and create a control system. Just called HMI. Then go to hardware tree. Okay. So hardware tree, just to go to CMU 530 CPM01 and go to Ethernet E1. So here RTU IP address. RTU IP address is 122.168.0.20 and the subnet mask just keep it to 255.255.255.0. Okay, that's all. Then right click, add item, create PLC function and the PLC task also. This two why we are calling means, so PLC function, PLC task under have a lot of IO we create now. So this one we will call in our Mighty Pro programming software. So that side we need to some program logic and everything. Add item. So here I create a lot of 4 or 5 stacks. One for AMI. This is for only reading purpose. Okay. So HMI reading integer role. Okay. Next and output. This stat she will give some set point from HMI through our RTU section. This is also integer. So next one is MFI. MFI means floating point. Means with the decimal. Okay, the real values. Same FSO, real set point command. Okay. And the SPI means single point input, means this is digital signals, means means the command. Its command came from SCADA as well as HMI side. For example, open command or close command, reset command. So these all are okay. So once create all signals, then go to Modbus TCP tab. We need to give a address. So AMI call 100, ASO 200, FSO 300, MFI 400, SCO 500, SPA 600. Okay, and follow this unipolar unsigned scaled value and 32767. Okay. Here 16 preset multi-registers and here just you call the high word in second register. Okay. 32-bit floating point value with the high word in second register, even set point also. And SCO horse signal coil bold read, say read input seekers with the address. Okay. And before we need to link that network 3 side we created a Modbus TCP IP line. So that one we need to link here or otherwise this function is not working. So just right click and the link option, select the link option and select Ethernet 1. Same we created line Modbus TCP IP. Okay. Once everything's done, just to go to project and the build up a project. So just to create a separate folder. Okay, this file have a .rcd file. Okay, so once you download means you build it means that's a configuration file. It's like a .rcd file only. So here no time was configure. So we need to configure it. Then go to RTU 530 RTU parameter side. Just you call same host line. Look. Just on click again. Same like configuration RCD. So this base model of 530 CAD01 does not contain as an input output errors because of just I created sample project. So if you have a hardware IOS means this alarm means this warning outcome not showing. Just generate file and save the context on this. Okay. So RTU part is completed now. Just we need to download this RCD file to RTU side. So next video, you will discussing related things that HMI.